I've used iOS 27 Beta 6 for 4 days now, and I have some interesting battery stat to show you of the 4th day. I am a light to medium user with social media apps and YouTube, along with some video editing, and I use VN for video editing on my iPhone with around 70% usage of Wi-Fi along with Wi-Fi calling, and I get below average network in my room, so that also affects the battery life. Now let's check out the battery life I got on the 4th day and compare it with the other 3 days. Let's first check the battery health of my iPhone because that also affects the battery life you get. I'm using iPhone 16 Pro Max, and with 278 cycle count, my battery health is still at 100%. I have made a video on how to preserve battery health at its maximum, so check my channel for the same. On the 4th day, I got better battery life compared to the past 3 days. With 65% of battery usage, I got 7 hours of screen on time and 8 hours of screen idle time. I got 6 hours and 19 minutes of screen on time with 78% of usage on the 3rd day. And my usage was very similar to the 4th day. I really don't know how, but I got better battery life on the 4th day. Plus, optimizing search and Siri was completed on the 2nd day itself. So the overall indexing got completed on the 2nd day. I use default icons, and I've noticed that if we use clear or tinted icons, the battery life can get a bit worse. It's been more than 2 weeks I have turned off adaptive power mode. As in my usage, I did not notice an improvement in battery life if I had turned on the adaptive power mode. But if your iPhone supports it, try to turn it on for at least a week and notice if you actually notice the improvement. At the time of recording this video, I got 51 minutes of screen on time with 4% of battery usage. So far, it seems like there is an improvement in battery life. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.